Hi there, Wade Sellers here, and in this video I'm going to show you a really cool copy-paste hack in order to put things into BubbleUp without even dealing with a file. So a lot of times I'm on a web page or I'm in a Zoom call and I just want to grab something that's on the screen. Maybe somebody demoed something, or I just want an image from a web page and I just want to get it into BubbleUp. I don't want to deal with a file. So on Mac, what I can do is I can do Command, Control, Shift, 4, and then I will draw a box around whatever I care about, and it automatically gets saved to your clipboard. Then just go into any folder in BubbleUp and paste it, Command V. It drops right in there as a PNG. There's no file on your desktop, it was just right to your clipboard and right in the BubbleUp. On Windows, you can do the same thing with the Windows button, Shift S. Draw a box around whatever you want, and it's now stored on your clipboard. You can then paste it right into BubbleUp. It's that easy. This is just a really quick tip. I hope you enjoy it. I use it all the time, especially in Zoom meetings when someone's showing something and I want to quickly grab it and save it into BubbleUp. I can just do this real quick. Little shortcut, draw the box, paste it in. If you'd like to see more tips like this, just go to youtube.com, punch in BubbleUp, and hit subscribe. I'm Wade Sellers, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!